Hi guys, today we're here to unbox the all new Montra Downtown 2018 edition. This is a hybrid bike designed specially for the cities. With its 700 into 35C tires and dual disc brakes, it makes it a lot easier and quicker to navigate through the city roads. So let's go ahead and unbox this salve.
For more updates, please subscribe to my channel.
So we're undoing the stem using a 4mm Allen key. Then we're gonna put in the handle with her, and then we'll move to the part where we put on the seat post and the front wheel, and then we'll be ready. Let's put in the handle over here. There are no guidelines to putting the handlebar to your accurate spot, so you might have to adjust it to your best. That's not tightening all the bolts right away, because it will make the handlebar lean in a side, so let's tighten them all at once. The trick here is put the handlebar slightly in an angle so that you can use it to your maximum comfort. This seat post looks nice and is very lightweight. It's made of the same alloy that's in the frame, of course. So I should probably grease it a bit, but as I don't have any grease at the moment, I'll just put it in. Let's put the bike upside down now. We'll install the front wheel. And the quick release for the front wheel comes in a little box. Here we have alloy pedals and some tools to set up the bike and the quick release. So I'll grab the quick release here. Oh, nice. They have given us a 4mm as well. That will come in handy. Most high-end bikes nowadays comes with a quick release system because it's so much easier to install and take off the front wheel. Just make sure you don't tighten it to a hard extent so you can move it freely. Just remember the push action of the quick release. That way you can make sure that the wheel is in place and it's safe and secure. It's all good and done here. mark left and right so you don't cross-check them. If you think you did cross-check them, then just take them out and put them in the right order. Install the right pedal here. You can just do a couple of turns using your hand, then use your hands. It's quite easy and it will go in smoothly. If you did manage to cross-check them, then just take them out and start again. All snug and tight, I hope. Yep. Snug. Left. It's snug and tight. Now let's turn it back up and then look at the design. Let's uncover what lies inside. That's a mix of green and bright yellow. That looks pretty cool. And the base color is black, so that gives it a much nicer contrast. Montra has been killing the design with these new bikes. They're all so great in terms of looks and design. The contrast between the white Montra logo and the black chrome color